The best film emulation plugin. Today's video is sponsored by my assistant, Roger Deakins. First of all, I want to thank the guys from Video Village for being super nice and giving me the best film emulation plugin. This won't be a review, I just wanted to flex my new expensive tool and pretend that I belong to the elite. This plugin is pretty easy to use. You can choose to use only the negative, the print, or use only the grain and halation of the plugin. In the source menu you choose your input camera. If your camera is not in the list, just use a color space transform before the plugin and change it to aces, or it's time to buy a better camera. In the print style you have the full, standard and the extended style. There is the camera menu, where you can adjust the exposure, temperature and tint, with the sliders. In the negative menu, you can choose between 16mm, 35 and 35 full-frame film. This will change the grain and the halation. I'm certain that the grain won't be visible on YouTube, but you might notice the difference in halation. Additionally, you have the option to choose from various film stocks, each offering two versions, the clean and the dirty. If you want to go deeper, you can open the advanced settings and adjust the color, halation, grain, dirt, even the camera gate weave to your liking. In the lab menu, you can adjust the color even more, change the film process, and add a split tone effect. After a few months of using this plugin, I can confidently say that it is the best one I've ever used. Obviously, it's not for everyone due to the price, but if you want to invest in your color grading, you should consider it.